How to sign PDF document with digital signature. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to your Adobe Acrobat application. Make sure you have successfully downloaded the Adobe Acrobat application. And as you can see, currently I have a PDF where I need to have a signature. So I'll be just showing you my signature using my digital signature over here. So once you open up your Adobe Acrobat application, what you need to do is, so once you open up this application over here, you can simply tap on this open file button over here and just select the PDF, any PDF you want to sign, and simply open the file just like this. So I'll just skip it for now. So since I want electronic sign over here, what I will be doing is just selecting this e-sign option over here, and you can see this is my last previously used sign. So I'll just select it for new. To simply add a new signature, just tap on this new signature over here, and you can basically type in any one of your style of your choice, like this. You can basically type in your signature, or you can draw your signature, or you can also add an image of your signature if you have one. So since I like this, prefer this method, you can simply use this, and you can also change this style over here. And once you are satisfied and happy with the signature, you can simply tap on this apply button over here. So once you do that, you can basically readjust your signature position just like this. As you can see, I am readjusting this my position, and once you are finally happy, you can easily save this folder, save this file as a PDF completely to your desktop just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.